you keep dropping your book. Ayla is beside me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Christine and welcome back to my channel. So finally, I decided to do a quick vlog. So Ayla is with me, beside me. She's playing with her little tiny book. Yeah, after work, I grab a couple things to do a haul today. Finally, I am so busy. I'm back. If you don't know, guys, I'm back. I'm already back. Come, you wanna come to mommy? Okay. Come. Hi, say hi. So, say hi. Look at the camera, Ayla. Down here. If you know, guys, I'm back working already. Like since when did I come back to work? October. So I'm back working again. Working and taking care of her baby. So I'm so busy. Ayla, say hi. Say hi to them. Why are you playing with your fingers? Hi. Say hi. Look, 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 look. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Say hi. Ba. Da. Say hi. She's busy. So I'm gonna do a quick haul today. The things that I got after work. These items that I got today that I'm gonna show you is the things that I need. I got curtains because I want to change the curtains in the bedroom to different colors, different style of curtains. And I got it's a mirror. At the same time that you can put your phone, like a phone stand, because the other day I dropped my phone. I broke my mirror on my back phone. I like to use the small mirror that I put on my at the back of my phone, because sometimes if like something itchy on my eyes, something stuck on my eyes, I can really look it with my small mirror that I put at the back of my phone. I'm gonna show you what's look like my small mirror. It like crack because I drop it really hard. And also the last thing is a little what do you call that, ring light. I'm so excited about the ring light. It is so cute, and then it's like tiny that you can put it on the like desk or a small table. It's just a portable small ring light that actually I can use it every day when I'm getting ready for work downstairs here when I'm doing my makeup, because it's I like to like a little bit brighter. I don't like doing my makeup like when it's like not bright at all, because I don't see what's going on, how I apply my makeup onto my face. So yeah, she's kicking my tripod. She's curious because I turned on the volume of her cartoons, but it's gonna be quick, really quick, Ayla, okay? So this is what's look like my phone mirror. It's cracked already. I love this small mirror that it's a adhesive mirror that you can stick it to your back of your phone. I love this. I use it all the time. And yeah, finally they have in the store at Walmart. It's not like the same like this, it's different, but you can use it like a mirror or as a small ring light. So it's broken, as you can see. It's a little crack right on the edge. So I got this type of curtains. I like to try something like this with the holes on it. Maybe it's like a little bit nicer, because I have the type of the curtain that's no holes like this. It's just like, I don't know how do you call it, but yeah, no holes at all. So I would like to try something like this. This is 63 inches and a blackout curtains, and also it's already 2 curtains inside. So this is what's look like the curtains. I'm excited. Maybe I'm gonna put it tonight before I go to bed. I would like to see it what's look like on the bedroom. And also this is I'm excited about. And also this is I'm excited about stick-on selfie light plus mirror and kickstand. So this is what's look like, guys. Oh, I'm excited. It's so cute that I can like, you know, put my phone like stand up, that I can use when I'm watching videos or something, like a stand for my phone. And this is what it looks like on the back of the stick-on selfie lights. By the way, guys, this is $4.88, so it's not bad at all. And rechargeable stick-on lights plus mirror and kickstand. So I'm excited to put it onto my back of my phone. I cannot wait. I'm gonna put it later. And yeah, again, $4.88 is not too bad. There were an electronics department. If you're go to Walmart, they have that in electronics department. So this is the last thing that I'm really excited about. This is what's look like, guys. Can you see? Vlogcast Studio foldable phone stand with LED ring light. You can control the lights, blah blah blah. And this is what's look like on the back of the packaging. And in the front of the packaging, this is what's look like the small ring light. It's so cute. I cannot wait to use this small ring light. I don't know if I can make it like a little bit taller or not, but I'm so excited to play with this foldable phone stand with LED ring light. And again, this is $9.88. It's not bad at all for this little cute ring light. If you're looking for a small, tiny ring light, here we go. Go check out Walmart and they have it over in the electronics department. And yeah, super cheap. Not bad at all for $9.88.